Burger King is one of the most recognizable names in fast food. Known for flame-grilled burgers and bold marketing, the brand has competed at the highest level of the restaurant industry for decades. This is the complete history of Burger King, from its early beginnings to its rise as a global fast food giant. Burger King's story begins in 1953 in Jacksonville, Florida, when entrepreneurs Keith J. Kramer and Matthew Burns opened a restaurant called Insta-Burger King. Inspired by the emerging fast food industry, the founders built their concept around speed, efficiency, and a specialized cooking device known as the Insta-Broiler, which allowed burgers to be cooked quickly and consistently. In 1954, financial struggles led Kramer and Burns to sell the business to James McLamore and David Edgerton. The new owners rebranded the company as Burger King and moved its headquarters to Miami, Florida. They improved the cooking system, introducing flame grilling, a process that would become the brand's signature identity. In 1957, Burger King introduced the Whopper, a larger, customizable burger designed to compete directly with McDonald's offerings. The Whopper quickly became a massive success and remains one of the most iconic menu items in fast food history. During the 1960s and 1970s, Burger King expanded rapidly across the United States and internationally. The company positioned itself as McDonald's primary rival, promoting customization through the slogan, "Have it your way." This emphasis on customer choice helped Burger King stand out in a highly competitive market. Over the decades, Burger King experienced multiple ownership changes, including acquisitions by major corporations. While these transitions fueled expansion, they also created challenges related to brand consistency, leadership strategy, and competition within the fast food industry. Burger King became known for bold, sometimes controversial marketing campaigns that appealed to younger audiences. By embracing humor, edginess, and social commentary, the brand differentiated itself and stayed culturally relevant in an evolving media landscape. In the 21st century, Burger King embraced digital transformation, expanding mobile ordering, delivery services, and plant-based menu options. The company modernized its restaurants while maintaining its core identity built around flame-grilled flavor. Today, Burger King operates in over 100 countries, serving millions of customers daily. From a small Florida startup to a global fast food empire, Burger King's journey reflects innovation, rivalry, and adaptability in one of the world's most competitive industries. Burger King's history is more than just burgers. It's a story of competition, creativity, and resilience. As tastes and technologies continue to evolve, Burger King remains a defining force in global fast food.